What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a mukbang because I'm hungry, he hungry, so why not do a video and then tell y'all a little something, a little snippet of our life. So we're going to do a mukbang / story time. We're going to be talking about the time that we met. So like how this happened. How
this gorgeous.
How that happened.
Yeah, happy.
So we got Wingstop.
Wingstop, man.
Yo, look. First of all, let me just say this right now. I don't eat a lot of food, okay? So
she gonna do all the talking. I'm gonna do all the consuming. You feel me?
Whatever. But yeah. I'm hungry. I'm hungry today, so I can eat today.
Man. Welcome to the first story time of the channel. Are you ready? And the crowd goes
hungry. I'm hungry. Thank you.
All right, man.
Okay. So guys, we have bread. We have fries. We have two large sides of fries.
2 large sides.
We ordered the 30-piece crew pack. We have in there made no way.
Can't forget the wrench. Can't forget the wrench.
We got 3 pairs of wrench.
You know what I'm saying?
So in this one is honey smoked barbecue, something like that. And then we have classic, and then we have original hot.
Original hot.
So yeah, that's what we rocking with today.
Yep.
I'm hungry. I might start with bread.
So I would say, man, it's gonna be the first. Shit, bro, how it is.
It's good.
Good. It's gonna be the first story time of the channel. You know what I'm saying? Basically, we're gonna be talking about how we met, how this happened, how we right here, right now, doing this video for you guys. You get what I'm saying? You get the drift. So make sure you guys subscribe, man, cause we got more story time
coming
on the way. All right.
Okay.
So man, this all started and when?
Man, I need some napkins. How do you need some napkins?
Baka you lick your finger. What you want napkin?
Cause I need them.
Yeah, man. Look. Oh shit.
Can I get a fork, babe?
Man, this is why, man. She I don't need a fork for everything, man. What you got hands for?
Can I get a fork? Thank you. Okay, so guys, this story time is gonna be some juicy stuff. Some things like I didn't even like remember, but he remembers, and stuff that I remember and he probably don't remember. So the first time we met, we was at work. We worked together. So the first time we met, we was at work. I believe that's around the time that the store first opened, like a couple months after the store opened. So one of my friends that, you know, I got close with at work, she had a super huge major keep alert crush on him. And you know, the good friend that I am, I'm gonna help you out because you like him.
She liked me, but I didn't like her. Let's put that clear. She liked me, but I didn't like her. That was a no.
Whatever.
You feel me? Like my bum. Yo. No.
She had like a big crush on him. So the good friend that I am, I'm gonna help her out. And this was like around the time around the time the store first opened. And we didn't know anything about each other until she came and told me that she liked him. So I was like, okay, because I'm a friendly person. Like, I kind of like was still shy around that time, but I broke out of it a little bit. I was like, okay, let me go and let me, you know, put that olive branch out for her. So I went up to him and then I told him.
No. And what happened?
I told him that she liked him and she wanted to, you know, talk and go on a date and stuff. And his mean ass, he didn't want to talk to him.
No, what's up? No. Yo, if you don't see how she did look, and I said no to. You see me?
I'm like, stop being mean. Just like hear her out.
Man, no. It ain't gonna happen, man.
So what happened after that, babe?
What happened after what?
After all that, cause like I kind of like don't remember everything, but I remember like a little bit.
I mean, I remember a little piece of it. Cause this happened when way back in 2016, y'all. This was
2015.
2015.
That's when the story around.
Yeah, 2015, 2016.
No.
You sure? Man, it's 2015 or 2016. So I don't know what gave her the right mind to think she gonna come like me and I'm gonna go like her back. That's a dead mission.
I wouldn't tell y'all everything that she told me about him.
I don't want to hear it because I don't care. Okay, it wasn't gonna happen. You see? Man, it been days after go to work, right? I mean, thinking, man, please let this girl be at work. Man, she was annoying. Like, please let this girl be at work.
Yo, it was so cute.
I was like, please let this girl be at work, bro. And she was like a kind of a lead supervisor, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta go to her to ask her what she wants to do.
At the
so
time,
I'm like,
he was a scanner, so
I was like, bro, I gotta go to this girl, man. I was like, why, man?
So he said that I came whenever he was in the break room. I came in the break room, and I told him that we best friends because we had a lot of stuff in common.
Yeah.
I remember
Yo, I remember this. I ain't mean to call that my bad. But I remember the exact same. I remember the day, but I remember what happened that day. I think she was in the room too. I think she was in the break room too. The break room place too. So she came up in there. I think she already know my name and my last name, and she was like, boom, boom, so. I think we should be best friends because we got stuff in common. So I was like, babe, all right, so you look kind of, you know what I'm saying? You look kind of. I'm like, boom, we gonna make this shit happen, man. I'm trying to, yeah. So basically,
boy, he lying, y'all. Don't let this man fool y'all like that.
So I'm like, yeah, sure. What's up? So I remember we shook hands, bro. We shook hands. He's like, boom, boom. We officially best friends. Yo, tell me why. While we best friends, she's still trying to let me go out with this girl. I'm like, bro, this not finna happen, bro. It's not finna happen, bro. So I'm not gonna go through all in details what happened. So I'm gonna skip the conclusion, man. I remember one day, right? Me and her were closing. That same girl, me and her were closing, right? I think the store closed at 10. I think it was like around 8 o'clock. Somewhere on there. She called. I was on the register, right? So East Register got a phone. So she called the register. At first I didn't know who it was. So I'm like, bro, who's this? Normally I don't answer the phone, man. I'm like, I answer the phone, bro. Tell me why that was her, bro. At work, bro. Using the work phone, bro. Calling me, bro.
Bro.
So I'm like, what's up? First thing she said, would you mind going on a date with me? I hold the line for that. I hold the line for that. Yeah, man? Yo, Bridget, when she asked me that, when I say nothing, but us hung up before. Yo, I hang that phone up, bro. I'm like, hey, hell nah. Hang that phone up, bro. I don't give a shit how she feel, man. I don't give a nothing.
You mean?
You feel me? Look, man.
Nicest guy in the whole world.
So, I think that same night, she was closing too, I think, yeah. That same night she was closing. Right after I got the phone, she went go tell her because she had found out we just became best friends. So like, boom, she go tell her such and such. Tell me why she gonna try to convince me to go to her. I'm like, that shit not finna happen, bro. That not gonna happen. You see me?
Whatever.
That not gonna happen. So it was just me and her in the break room. So I'm like, oh shit. Turn off the lights and so just me and her in the break room, right? So at first we just meet each other, so we ain't really talking this shit. You know what I'm saying? I just sit down. Yeah, I just sit down on my phone. Out of nowhere, out of the blue, bro. She started talking to me, asking me, so why you want to go to the movie over here? I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, how the hell she know that? You know what I'm saying? How the hell she know that? This whole time, bro, her and the girl was cool as hell, bro. They was cool, bro. They was like this, bro.
I'm cool with everybody at work, so I don't know how he know that. I'm just a cool person.
I told her straight up, man. I ain't gonna call her name, but I told her straight up. I mean, nah, I ain't going on no date. We on trampoline.
You.
I ain't going on no date with her, bro. You feel me? I'm not. It's not gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna. Bro, I don't know. Not even my mom. I don't know who gonna make you. I don't know who gonna convince you to convince me to go on her date, cause it ain't gonna happen, bro. Nah.
You could have just took her, just to satisfy her.
Took her back and left far.
Not like that, but just to satisfy her ego, make her, you know.
No, bro. No. That's not, bro. Virgin, dogs them. If one of these see our face, virgin, when I say the same thing.
Who is virgin?
Married bros.
Oh.
Virgin, for you guys, virgin is like bros and yeah, it's like bros kind of.
He ain't never said that around me, so I don't know what that is.
Yeah. If when they see our face, dog, you see me? Our face, if the face was alright, you know what I'm saying? It was alright, but comment what you guys think about this video, man. Story time. It'll be more. Let us know if you want to hear more story time. Cause we got a lot of story time. We got a lot of stories. A lot of stories. So let us know if you guys want to hear more story.
Matter of fact, let us know what kind of story you want us to talk about. Like if you want for us to do like how we felt about each other type of thing. Like when we first realized that we actually had feelings towards each other to be more than best friends and all that stuff. So yeah, we've been best friends for like minus the year we've been together, but we've been best friends for
say about 3 years.
3 years, 4 years.
Yeah.
That's how
I mean, I think this year been 4 years. So we've been best friends for quite a long time, man.
They always say best friends make the best relationship.
Yeah.
So far so good. We doing good so far.
Fuck the two best friends, them.
What?
So smooth. Ain't that way of dirt. You see me?
So yeah, thank you guys for watching our video, watching our story time. I felt like the story time was like, it was like a check off the list, because we've been debating on what should we talk about, like, there's like so much we could talk about, like, but what topic can we hit on? We just decided to talk about how we first met, like when did it all first start, like when did our journey first start with each other. And that's exactly when it first started. My friend was trying to get with him, I was trying to hook them up, but he was like, nah, bruh.
No.
And I'm like, dang, just get a girl a chance. Like, dang, it's already bad enough she, you know, asking me to come help her out to do this for her, but you over here shooting her down and stuff. You could at least took her on a date or something, bought her something. But now he didn't want to do that. He didn't want to do that. So I was like, okay, well, I tried. Now, but yeah. So he mine now, so can't nobody have him. To do what?
Huh?
To do what?
No, I got something stuck in my throat.
No, okay.
So, you know when the you know what I'm saying?
You need some?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good, man.
To my
Yeah,
So thank you guys for watching our video.
Thank you guys watching the video.
You're so goofy.
Subscribe, like this chicken, like, comment, and go share the video, guys. Know what I'm saying? Appreciate you guys for loving support so far.